Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can resize the Google search bar on your home screen. So if your Google search bar may be taking up too much space, or maybe it's too small to tap, one of the best things about the Google widget is that it's completely adjustable. And in here I'm going to show you the long press trick to fix the widget size. So what you need to do first, you can just long press the Google search bar on your home screen until a menu or frame appears like this. Now you can adjust, look for the dots here on the frame, so you can adjust it like this. You can make it smaller, or maybe you can make it bigger like this by adjusting the frame. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, I'm going to just go with this compact size, and now you can just tap on anywhere to save the changes. So that's all for me. If this guide helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, and also leave a comment if you have any question. Don't forget to also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.